Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 233011 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Here's the thing. First of all, you need to check the internet connection speed. So search for fast.com and hit enter and check the internet connection speed here. Is it good enough? If yes, then move on to the next solution, which is to use the incognito mode. Now let's say that the browser is Edge. It could be Chrome or anything. Basically, we're using a Chromium browser. So click on these three dots and select in private window and try opening the same in the in private window. The next solution is to remove extensions. Now I'll open Chrome for you. Okay, because it's the most popular browser. Click on these three dots here, select extensions and then go to manage extensions and then try to disable an extension if you think it's problematic. If this helps, then remove this extension. Now there's no specific extension that can be the problematic one, so you'll have to use the hit and trial method. And lastly, you can reset the browser. So I'll show you for Microsoft Edge. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, go to reset settings, click on restore settings to the default values and reset. Now for Chrome, the process will be the same because that's a Chromium browser as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.